Why did you sit down? Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Garima. I was born and brought up in Buxar district of Bihar.
I have done my graduation in Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering from IIT Kharagpur.
I am 25 years old. I am from Bhopal. Sir, I am Siddharth Dani, a graduate of Electrical Engineering from IIT Kanpur.
Utilize the queue. Don't do it.
You tell about where you are born, where you have studied and all that. This interview.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
यहाँ पे एक तो everybody is now facing you.
Okay.
And secondly, you are also facing everybody here.
Where have you seen students demanding good schools as their right?
Courses are never opted based on the aptitudes, interest and all that.
What's your take on chronic capitalism?
What is the difference between a 4 nanometer process and let's say a 7 or 12 nanometer process in chip making?
How do you think business should be done? The way Tatas do it or the way Adanis do it?
Listen carefully what is the question and reply only that much. If you report that I am motivated by the incidents, that means you possess the unstable personality. Whereas there must be firmness in any administrative officer. Take care that use of proper words has to be there.
Okay, sir.
Then obviously you are looking more circumspect rather than objective in your approach or being very finite and sounding more with conviction. So that thing is lacking.